Hello guys, I am Hitesh Tripathi and I am your instructor via Newton School, and in this video we are going to talk about hiring process of some company. Okay, so I am going to reveal what company it is, but before that let's just see what is Newton School. Okay, so basically as we all know that Newton School is an e-learning platform which have different programs especially designed for you. First program, if you want to get hired by any of these companies, okay, and some more companies, you can just go to newtonschool.co and check their full stack development course, okay, in which the most amazing thing is that they have pay after placement process, under which you don't need to pay even a single penny until and unless you get placed in any of these companies for minimum of 5 lakh of CTC. Okay, so you just come to newtonschool.co and enroll for their full stack development course and get the most out of it. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment section. Second thing they have for you is Launchpad initiative. So if you want to start your learning for free, you can just come here, log in or sign up for free, and you can take any of the courses here listed here. Okay, and you can do quizzes here. You can also participate in coding contests organized by Newton School, in which you can win cash prizes and gift vouchers and referrals to different big companies. And you can also use Newton School ID for your coding purposes, in which you also get custom input and custom output thing. Okay, so you can also use Newton School ID. So if you have any doubts regarding any of the programs of Newton School, you can just ask me in comment section. At the end, if you haven't subscribed this YouTube channel, that is Code Kitchen Newton School, just go and subscribe this YouTube channel, in which you have different playlists for React.js course, for different companies hiring processes like Hashdin, Infosys, and for some more companies which you are seeing right now. Playlist for dynamic programming from scratch, for data structures and algorithms, for C++, for JavaScript. You have everything for free. You can just come, subscribe this channel and get the most out of it. Now let's just see today's video, in which we are going to see or talk about hiring process of some company, and that company is Accenture. Okay, you must have listened about this company. This is a big MNC, and if you want to get hired in this big MNC Accenture, you have to see this video. Let's just see how you can get hired by Accenture. So basically, for freshers, if you are a fresher, there are two profiles. First is associate software engineer, and you will get 4.5 LPA CTC if you are getting hired for this associate software engineer, or you can also say this as ASE. Okay, second profile they have for freshers is advanced ASE or advanced associate software engineer, and you will get 6.5 LPA in this profile. Okay, now let's just discuss about variables, little bit about variables and fixed pay. Okay, so basically they have two profiles, ASE and advanced ASE. Now their variables, so total compensation is for ASE is 4.5 and for advanced ASE is 6.5. Fixed pay is 3.83, and in this fixed pay is 5.41, okay, lakh obviously. Then variable pay based on your performance, like if you perform well, they will also pay you these 32k in obviously 1 year period, and if you perform well in advanced ASE profile, they will pay you 84k variable. One time joining bonus, they have 50,000 rupees payable upon successful completion of initial training as per company process. Okay, and advanced ASE profile has 25k on successful. I guess this is ये थोड़ा सा चेंज हो गया है. Okay, so for advanced ASE you will be having 50k and for ASE you will be having 25k. Okay, so just swap these two. And benefits like insurance and gratuity will be 9.5k and 13k in both these profiles. Okay, so I hope you are already aware about your CTC, that is 4.5 LPA and 6.5 LPA. Okay, now after that, these were profiles for freshers and your salary. Now how are you going to get hired by Accenture? So basically, with your exams, like if you have an opportunity to get hired by Accenture, okay, on campus recruitment or off campus recruitment, whenever you get the drive for recruitment, you will be having this kind of process. You will be having first assessment as your technical assessment. okay, or you can say online assessment, in which you will be having total 90 minutes. This was it is this year criteria. Okay, next year maybe this criteria can be changed for next year students. So right now I'm talking about this year recruitment process, and maybe this year this criteria is still same. Okay, so you'll be having 90 minutes and you have to solve this much of questions, that is 75 questions total. Okay, in which you will be having English ability, reasoning, and basically you will be having some aptitude questions. Okay, in which you will be having English ability, critical reasoning and problem solving, abstract reasoning, common application and MS Office, then pseudo codes of some language. Okay, and you have to give output of that codes, network security and cloud questions, coding questions. Okay, you will be having 2 coding questions, and level of these 2 coding questions will be average. Okay, so if you have done competitive programming and DSA, you are going to solve these 2 coding questions easily. Okay, no worry about this. And so basically level of this whole online assessment is kind of average to medium. Okay, and since in 90 minutes you have to solve all 75, not all 75 questions. Okay, on the basis of your number of solved questions, they will be sending you, they will be going further with you for profile of ASE or advanced ASE. Okay, तुम number of questions ज़्यादा solve करोगे तो they will be going for advanced ASE, otherwise they will be going for ASE. Okay, तो ऑब्वियसली कट ऑफ या मेरिट कुछ की टॉप इतने स्टूडेंट्स उनने उठा लिए, ऐसा कुछ. ठीक है, तो इन 90 मिनट्स यू आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व 75 क्वेश्चंस, एंड व्हाट आर दोज क्वेश्चंस आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू. लेवल ऑफ दोज क्वेश्चंस आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू. नाउ आफ्टर दैट व्हेन यू विल गेट shortlisted for assessment 1, from assessment 1, in assessment 2 you will be having your English assessment. Okay, so there will be a one video round. Okay, एक वीडियो राउंड होगा इन विच यू विल गेट सम क्वेश्चंस लाइक वो एक स्टेटमेंट, कंप्यूटर जनरेटेड स्टेटमेंट होगी एंड यू हैव टू रिपीट दैट स्टेटमेंट. So basically via this English assessment they will check your pronunciation, they will check your hearing ability, they will check your talking communication skills. Okay, via this assessment, this whole assessment will be computer generated assessment, and someone from system will be talking to you and you have to just give those answers to them. Okay, and all those answers will be get recorded and will be sent to Accenture. So this was your second assessment, and this is your first assessment and this is your second assessment, and after you will get shortlisted after this second assessment. Okay, you will be having your interview round. Okay, इसके बाद तुम्हारा एक interview round होगा in which there will be some HR or technical interview. Okay, it can be both technical interview plus HR round. Okay, in which you will get asked some technical questions, normal average to medium level, not so hard level of DSA trees वगैरह. Okay, and plus HR questions. Now in HR questions you have to perform well. Okay, like they will ask you why you want to join Accenture, how are you going to tackle some problems of management level, like there are 2 employees and they are not talking to each other and you are product manager of some project, and you have to sort things between both of them. So how are you going to do that? Okay, so there are some questions of this type and you have to answer those questions in very well manner. Okay, so after that, after this round, that is your interview and HR round, you will get your results in 1 to 2 weeks basically. Okay, and they will tell you that whether you are hired for ASE profile and advanced ASE profile. Okay, so this was the complete process of Accenture hiring. Okay, if you have any doubt you can just ask me in comment section regarding questions in assessments. Okay, and in how you are going to do English assessment round, and how you are going to do interview and plus HR round. If you have any doubt you can ask me in comment section. Plus one general information about English assessment round is that there may be some problems with your system compatibility. Okay, कि जब तुम अपना सिस्टम कंपैटिबिलिटी चेक करोगे वहां पे कुछ साउंड इश्यूज आएंगे. ओके, तो फॉर दैट यू कैन टैकल देम विद लाइक सिट इन अ क्वाइट प्लेस. तुम्हारे अगल बगल कोई भी ना हो, जस्ट ट्राई टू डू दैट. ओके, बिकॉज इन इंग्लिश असेसमेंट राउंड यू नीड टू हियर computer generated statements very carefully to repronounce them. Okay, so just give your English assessment in a very quiet place. So this was some tip for you, and if you have any doubt you can ask me in comment section. Plus again, if you haven't visited Newton School yet, just go check their pay after placement program and you can enroll in their full stack development course if you want to get hired with these companies. Plus, if you haven't checked Launchpad initiative, just go and check their Launchpad initiative. And if you have any doubt regarding this video and regarding any of the programs of Newton School, just ask me in comment section. At the end, if you haven't subscribed this YouTube channel, that is Code Kitchen Newton School, just go subscribe this YouTube channel and bookmark any of these playlists, whichever you want to continue, and subscribe and like this video. Thank you guys for watching this video.